access Smart Thinking, you must first log into Blackboard. Once logged in, click on the course you wish to get help in. Inside the course, click on the Tutoring Online link located on the menu on the left side of your screen. You will notice that a system check is necessary to access Smart Thinking. If you have pop-ups disabled on your browser, you must allow pop-ups first before you can continue. Refresh your page and you should be redirected to the Smart Thinking main page. Once there, you will notice there are 4 different options to choose from. You can either work with a tutor or career coach, submit a question, review previous sessions and submissions, or submit writing or career documents. For our purposes, we will select Submit My Writing or Career Documents. Within this option, you once more have several choices to choose from. Depending on what your needs are, you can choose one of these options to continue. For basic corrections and edits, Essay Center is commonly used. Clicking Essay Center will direct you to a form in which you will need to put your course level, the title of your writing, an assignment description, 2 areas you need help, and attach a file containing your writing. You also have the option to choose a specific type of tutor to look over your work. If you don't have a preference, choose First Available, and the first available writing tutor will look at and review your essay within 24 hours of submission.